Hi guys, today I make the banana loaf cake. The one, all the ingredients I already put inside. Now I'm ready to heat the oven. Time to put inside. We cook into 180 degrees Celsius into 45 minutes, guys. And we're waiting until 45 minutes, guys. And then after 45 minutes, guys, my banana loaf cake is done. Look at that, guys. Really beautiful. Yeah, look at that, guys. Really beautiful and look perfect. Nice. I'm using 2 cups of thick flour, guys. And then time to taste, guys. What the taste? Yan, I'm already sliced. What the taste? Really yummy, guys. Really moist, and the taste is balanced, not really sweet. Really yummy. That's it for today, guys. And thank you for watching. And bye for now.